Jonathan Larson and Billy Aronson collaborated for 2 years on a project that would become the Broadway musical Rent. When Larson and Aronson parted ways, they signed an agreement allowing Larson to continue developing the show on his own and specifying that Aronson would not be credited as a co-author. Did Larson remain Rent's only author, or was a subsequent contributor entitled to joint author credit? That's the question in Thomson versus Larson. Larson took Rent to the New York Theater Workshop for revision and development. Larson refused the workshop's request to hire a playwright or book writer to help with revisions to the play's storyline and narrative structure, insisting that Rent was his project alone. Finally, in the months before Rent's scheduled off-Broadway opening, Larson agreed to permit the workshop to hire Lynn Thomson as a dramaturg to refine the script. Dramaturgs provide a variety of services for playwrights, including assistance with plot elements, dramatic structure, and themes. Thomson signed an agreement with the workshop in which she agreed to provide assistance and research to Larson for a fee of $2,000 and billing credit as dramaturg. For the next few months, Larson and Thomson worked together intensively on Rent. Larson kept the script on his computer and entered all the revisions himself. Thomson kept no contemporaneous notes on her specific contributions. Experts characterized the version of the show that emerged after this period as being radically transformed. Thereafter, Larson signed a contract with the workshop for ongoing revisions to Rent. This contract identified Larson as Rent's sole author and didn't reference Thomson. Hours after the conclusion of Rent's final dress rehearsal before its off-Broadway opening, Larson died suddenly. Thomson and others continued to fine-tune the show's script until the opening. Rent opened off-Broadway to rave reviews and moved to Broadway shortly thereafter, where it was a critical and commercial success. Thomson requested a percentage of the show's royalties from Larson's heirs. After negotiations between Thomson and Larson's heirs failed, Thomson sued the heirs, seeking to be declared a co-author of Rent and granted 16% of the show's royalties. The district court ruled for Larson's heirs following a bench trial. Thomson appealed to the Second Circuit.